Warrantless arrest. Number 1. When is arrest without warrant lawful? Arrest without warrant when lawful of Section 5, Rule 113, Revised Rules of Criminal Procedure. A peace officer or private person may, without a warrant, arrest a person. A. When in his presence of the person to be arrested has committed, is actually committing, or them attempting to commit offense. Kung ang kanyang presensya ay ang taong huhulihin ay gumawa kasalukuyang nagawa o natangkang gumawa ng krimen. B. When an offense has in fact just been committed and his probable cause of belief based on person knowledge of facts and circumstances that is a person is arrested has committed it. Kung ang isang krimen ay katunayang bagong lang ginawa at meron siyang pruweba cause of belief of a base of kanyang personal na kaalaman ng mga pangyayari na ang taong huhulihin ay ginawa nito. C. When the person to the arrested of the prisoner who has escaped from the penal establishment of peace where he is served final judgment or temporary confined while his cause is pending of the escape with being transferred from the confinement of others. Kung ang taong huhulihin ay isang pugante. Paragraphs A and B refers to the case with the suspect in caught of the flagrante delicto or immediately thereafter, while paragraph C refers to the escaping a prisoner. Number 2. What does the phrase in his presence means? The phrase his presence in a paragraph A constitute when the officer sees an officer being committed also the distance of her disturbance created thereby the proceeds of one of the sins, therefore of the offense of continuous of his broken beings of consummated there at the time, and arrest is made of the offense of said be committed his present. Ang pariralang o ang present na tinala o ay may kahulugan na kung ang alagad ng batas ay nakakita ang isang krimen ay gumawa kahit sa isang malayo, ang nakakarinig ng kaguluhan bago ang krimen ay pumunta kaagad ang pinangyarihan o kung ang krimen ay nagpatuloy o hindi kaagad makumpleto ang panahon na ginawa ang paghuli, ang krimen ay sinasabing ginawa ng kanyang presensya. Number 3. Is a personnel knowing requires under Section 5 Rule of 113 of Revised Rule of Criminal Procedure. An officer arresting a person who has just been committed on an offense must have a probable cause of believing based on personal knowing the facts of circumstances that the person to be arrested has committed it. Sa ilalim ng Section 5, Rule of 113, ang revised Rule of Criminal Procedure, ang alagad ng batas ay nahuli sa isang taong bago lang gumawa ng krimen ay dapat may probable cause to believe that based sa kanyang personal na kaalaman ang mga pangyayari na ang taong huhulihin ay siya ang gumawa nito. Therefore, what is probable cause warrantless arrest? Probable cause can be defined as such a facts of circumstance which could lead reasonable, discreet, and prudent that a man to be believed that offense has been committed and that the objects searched in the connections with the offense are in the place searched. Ang probable cause ay ang mga katotohanan ng pangyayari na ang pamatnubay ng isang tao ay may katwiran at mag-ingat sa katalinuhan o pagtitiwala ng isang krimen ay ginawa at ang bagay na hinahanap ng may kaugnayan sa krimen ay nasa lugar na gustong masiyasat. Number 5. What are the examples of probable cause? Probable cause was found to be present in the following instance. A. Where is the distinguished odor of marijuana emerged from the plastic of carrying by the accused, kung saan ang amoy ay marijuana ay umaalingasaw mula sa plastic bag o bitbit ng akusado. Where the informer positively identified the accused who was observed to be acting suspiciously, kung saan ang isang informer ay positibong kinilala ang akusado at ang nakikitang kumikilos na nakahihinala. C. Where the accused who are reading in jeepney were stopped in searching by the policeman of who is either to receive confidential reports that said accused would be transport quantity of marijuana, kung saan ang mga akusado ay nakasakay sa jeepney ay pinara ng siniyasat ng mga pulis na nauna sa nakatanggap ng lihim ng ugat ng mga nabanggit ay ang akusado ay magdadala ng marijuana. Number 6. There is arbitrary detention through imprudence. The criminal is arbitrary detention can be committed through imprudence. Situational analysis, arbitrary detention through negligence. The chief of police released a woman who had been released by the means of a verbal order of the justice of the peace. The accused acted without malice, but they should have verified that over the release before the proceeding to make an rearrest. The crime is committed by the chief of police. Arbitrary detention through simply negligence provided for the punish under Article 365, Paragraph 2 of Revised Penal Code in a condition of Article 124, Part 1 of the same code.